This is a nail hack alert because today I'm going to show you how to size your nails by using a dime to save time. If you don't have a nail sizing kit but are ready to buy a made-to-order set or a custom order with one of our Pressed by You nail techs, use this technique because it works every single time. First, send us 2 separate bird's eye view pictures of your right and left hand with a dime in the shot for scale. Then repeat the same method for your thumbs. Lastly, just send those requested images over to info@pbynails.com. We're going to use those images to expand and place a real life dime onto the picture until the dime in the photo and the real dime are equal in size. This method gives us the exact sizing of your nails. Our Pressed by You nail tech will use the zoomed in placement to align the press-on nails over your actual nails in the photo to find your sizing. Then we will email you your sizes to keep for your future orders. Although this method works most of the time, we do still encourage you to order an actual sizing kit from our site for the best accuracy. I hope this video helped. And guys, thank you so much for shopping with Pressed by You.